Okay, hey everybody. So, not sure if I'm going to post this on YouTube or if you can see me. First time documenting a little video of some work that I do. So I did a kitchen floor here, some drywall work on the ceiling, a little bit of paint on the walls and some paneling behind me here. But now I'm doing the backsplash. And this is a new product that I've seen. I've never used it before. It's new to me anyways. I don't know how long it's been on the market. But it's kind of a almost like a tub shower tile. Comes in 24-inch by 16-inch panels, and I had to prep the wall, get rid of all the wallpaper and stuff. So I'm going to turn around and actually show you the footage of the job that I'm working on here. So take a look here and see what we got going on. So, you know, from that corner all the way up behind the stove, at one time they had some leaky vent range hood. So a little bit of black mold that was on the wall. I'm going to clean that up a little bit, seal it. So I prepped it by tearing off 2 layers of wallpaper, doing some drywall mud here underneath the window, and over here all the wallpaper is being removed. See, I'm using this little cheap steamer. Cheap, I say, it's a Black & Decker. It's just inexpensive, but it actually works really good for this job. And there's some paper that I'm removing off the wall. And over here in this corner, I still have some paper to remove. And on the face of this cabinet, some paper to remove off. And we'll be installing some of this wall tile, which is just like a plastic composite, real thin. Scribe it a couple times with a nice straight edge after you mark it, and with a brand new sharp utility knife. And so just kind of place this up as a pre-cut. That's what we'll have at the end. You know, pretty nice little backsplash. So it'll accent his older countertops, but it'll look pretty nice. So I'll keep you posted as my progress goes on. I'm hoping to be done with this project relatively quickly. Started it yesterday, and I'll talk to y'all later. All right, take care. And hello, welcome back again. I'm here doing this wall tile, and I just wanted to recap. This is a steamer I took to the wallpaper and got all the walls stripped of the old paper, and even this plywood cabinet face had some wallpaper on it. Got that all removed, and it will be accepting our new sheet panel tile. I'm going to call it sheet panel because it's 24 by 16 or so, and as I showed you before, it'll look something similar to a brick white backsplash for the customer. And this is not self-adhesive, so it's recommended we clean the back of these tiles with alcohol, denatured alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, which you can get at your local store. Isopropyl alcohol. And so once the panels are cut, I'm going to tape them up in place as a test fit all the way across. That way I can ensure that they're all cut, ready to fit. I already have them positioned correctly. I can stand back and look at them and know that they're cut perfectly the way they need to be before I even start gluing anything. So the next step of the game here is really to do some drywall mudding in some of these holes and cracks and stuff in the old plaster. These are old lath and plaster walls here. And once the plastering's done, I'm going to go ahead and shoot my laser across. I don't know if you can depict the laser in the video here, but it's going to give me a line of guidance, so to speak, of where I'm going to have to start my tile in order for it to run true all the way through. So even on the cabinet here, it'll shoot a line on there for me. So I'll have a reference point to start marking my tiles where I should start cutting. It looks relatively even, so I don't think we're going to have too much problem with lining the tiles up. So it'll be cutting them nice and square to start with, and if we should run off a little bit, we can do some minor adjustments because all the edges are going to be caulked, or they're going to receive the butt ends, such as this one here. It's a J channel, kind of like a siding J channel, and that'll go right up in the corner there. And we have a 45 one that has a double side for the 90-degree corners, which is shaped like that, and that'll sit up in there. something like that. So shorten up this video a little bit. It's already 3 minutes and 40 seconds long, so I hope I can get everything in a couple videos. It'll probably be about a 15-minute video at the end of it all, I hope, and I hope it helps somebody, and I will see you in the next session of this video. All right, back again. Third little video. I'll be cutting this all into one video, I hope, but just as a briefing of where I'm at. Okay, so I have 2 of the wall tiles leveled out. I got my laser shot across so that I know I'm running straight. Got them taped up in the corners just to hold it temporarily, and that is so that I can run all of my tiles temporarily fitted with some masking tape, normal yellow masking tape because painter tape falls off. So and I just cut this. Well, I'm just measured up for this cabinet piece here. It runs up, and then you have a double outlet, and then you have it running into this windowsill loop here. So a little shot of how I went ahead and I measured everything, and I used the outlet plate to pencil on my marks. Both outlets are marked, my windowsill mark and my cabinet marks up over. So there you have it, and so I'm going to cut that piece, test fit it, and see where we're at using a utility knife and a straight edge, and whatever other means I may need. But I'll get back to you. All right. Okay, folks. Yes, it is recording. Good afternoon. I've been at it all morning. Second day was yesterday, so this would be the third day. Just to follow up with what I'm doing here on this wall tile. So I'm going to turn around and show you the completed templates, temporarily placed with masking tape, and getting prepared to glue this wall tile up and see how it takes to the wall. So take a look here and give the video a like, thumbs up. I'm not much of a videographer, so bear with me, but here we go. And here, J channel at the corner bead of the cabinet, onto the countertop. Got a 90-degree inside corner there. Tile comes down around. Another 90-degree corner channel there, alongside the cabinet. Also have to throw on some cabinet trim up along that edge right there on either side of the cabinet. Gets that corner channel trim. If I said that correctly, I don't know. Corner channel trim, something or other. Pieces are here somewhere. Here's one. So that'll go back on there, something like that, to the corner. Okay, last day of installing this tile. Actually took me quite a bit longer than I thought today, but I got it all finished cut. I got it all glued. I let it set up. I got outlet covers back on, and I applied a thin bead of white clear, or white silicone. I say white clear because it's kind of clearish, but it is a white silicone. But I'm going to turn the camera around so you can actually finally see the finished product of the wall tile. Up here, transitions up behind the stove. GFI is still a black GFI, but new plate cover, no outlet cover for his light switch. The sun's kind of coming in and shadowing, but you can see the trims on there. Nice bead of silicone across the backsplash there. Up along the cabinets, I got the trim back in. Outlet GFI, another light switch up there, and all along here, and finally that really hard cabinet wall there coming down. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I wasn't too shaky, and I hope this helps you. If I do end up posting this and you come across it, please share and like. And if you want to subscribe, I don't think I'll be doing much videos, but who knows? I may do some more in the future. So, wall tiles. Take care. God bless.